no surprise. Adam's late again. I've loaded his bike, cleaned his air filter, packed his gear. He's had all morning to be here, and he's just blowing it. Look who decided to show up.
What's up?
Let's go. I'm waiting.
Forgot my water at my house.
Just stay in a straight line, that's all I ask. Thank you. You guys have a good time.
Thanks.
Was a good kid. He had my back, I always knew he did. He was different than most, and maybe I was too. And hanging out with the in crowd just wasn't our thing. There was a whole lot more than we could see on these planes, where some people just seem to get stuck and hang around. It's college or trade school for those with the means. There's never been any small town for those in between. Yeah, the poor folks, they go to work, they go to war. And I did 1,500 days in the Corps, and I got back nothing.
We're in no better shape. The track was a lot better. The mud situation has progressively just gotten worse. So it's Friday. It was sunny all day. The weatherman tells me it's gonna rain at some point. No, 70. All day sunny. I go to get out of work. Pretty sweet. Yo, Keith! Are your forks fixed?
No.
Keith
We
was.
just gotta be fist pumping when Humpy comes off.
Humpy and Keith just had a big race, and they've never been here. Humpy.
This is day one, look at him.
Woo! Yes! Yeah! Humpy! Dude, you put a fucking cruise ship on him.
You were gapping him every lap.
Holy shit! He's gonna be so mad.
Second place.
The first loser! There he is! Hit the biggest jump ever.
I found his truck in the floodplain, upside down. It was a hell of a rain. I don't know if he drowned or if he died on impact. Must have rolled 3 times. Yeah, the only thing to make matters worse, that his mama's a late night ER nurse, and he was DOA. She just about lost her mind.
This one, homemade by my mom.
Mask up, boys.
I'm going pipeline.
Are you going pipeline?
Oh, yes.
Wait a minute. Yo, that's the only pipeline they got.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you just got the last one. I'm gonna go OG juice. Fair? You know?
I just scored.
Ready to take it for one last rip before the summer?
I'm so sad.
I say goodbye to what we had.
I know it's not going to get written more than twice. Between now and sometime in June or July, maybe even August, that's how long it goes. But come September, this thing's coming back here, and you'll see a lot more of it. All right, this is it.
It's the final goodbye. This is until next time, I suppose.